In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the first day of the week on your macOS device for your calendar and date and time settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says Language and Region. And then scrolling down again, should be an item that says first day of week. Click the drop down and select whatever you want the first day of the week to be registered as here. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.